Today, we gather for a topping off ceremony. The Hop. It is the beating heart at the center of our campus, but it is also at the center of our community.
We can't wait to see how the capabilities that we're expanding here at the Hop will amplify the arts at Dartmouth and contribute to the momentum of the growing Campus Arts District.
I think about the power and magic of creativity and motion and empathy that comes through in the arts. And as I look and think about all the challenges that we face, my hope is that we all tap into creativity and empathy and human emotion to bridge difference and to find common understanding.
Arts education and performance are fundamental to our culture. Our aim at the Hop is to make the best possible framework to nurture that exchange and project that energy out into the world.